So ChatGPT can be self-critical and improve itself. It can also tell you which extra information would lead to a better result. And it can also give you prompting strategies and techniques and ideas for how you could write and enrich your prompts to get better results. Now, one last trick which I want to show you, which also explores how ChatGPT can help you use ChatGPT more efficiently, is that you ask ChatGPT to give you the prompt for some example output you defined. So you can tell ChatGPT to give you the prompt that could produce some example output provided by you. For example, here I'm using this technique to get a prompt that could have been sent to ChatGPT to get an output like this. So this is the output I normally would want to get from ChatGPT, but now here with this technique, we're asking ChatGPT which prompt could have been used to generate this output. And the goal, of course, is to learn how we can write efficient prompts that are understood by ChatGPT. Now, as always, when using ChatGPT, the prompt we're about to get will, of course, be generated based on probabilities and statistics, but nonetheless, this can sometimes give you good ideas, and it therefore is also a technique or a trick you should be aware of. You should also be aware of the fact that, of course, if you now take that prompt which you get from ChatGPT, you will probably not get exactly this output here, but you should get some output that's similar to this example output. So here, for example, ChatGPT gave me this prompt here, which in the end is using the perspective prompting technique, you could say, because the goal is to discuss the impact, which typically implies that different perspectives should be assumed. And if we now take this prompt here and we send it to ChatGPT, we therefore do get a result that is somewhat similar to the example output we did provide to ChatGPT earlier. Now here it's actually way more detailed than the example output I provided before, which we could consider to be a good thing, but if you would summarize it, the content would roughly be the same. And therefore, asking ChatGPT for prompt ideas can be a nice trick for scenarios where you maybe have some example output, but you're not quite sure which questions you should ask ChatGPT in order to get similar or more detailed output like this.